Yeah.
All right.
So I would, this kind of like, I think.
Okay, so who's paying?
Yeah, it's already paid.
Paid, huh?
It's paid?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, boss. Let's go. So we'll go straight from here, and then there's like a small entrance. This is exactly where we're going. Yo, what's up, guys? It's Vahe here, back with another video. My
Hello,
buddy
hi.
Imran over here. So what we'll be basically doing today is I called him and told him that we want to do a photo shoot for him. He's more of a fashion industry guy. So he said, yeah, why not?
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
We agreed on that like a few days ago, and since I just finished exams like a few hours ago, then I was like, yeah, cool. Let's get this thing rolling. And here we are. So just be doing the photo shoot here, and we'll be vlogging the whole experience. So without further ado, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next clip.
Yep.
Peace out. It's okay, yeah? All right, let's, there's a staircase here. We could try that. Nice, didn't overheat yet. So what I want you to do here is, yeah, sit. You sit on the fourth step, your foot on the second step.
Okay.
Okay? It's okay if you don't want to wear the mask, so.
One, two, three, four. Yeah, right?
Yeah, no. The fourth one, yeah, that's correct, It's okay, it doesn't matter.
Tell me my hair is okay or not?
Your hair, well, I mean, it's up to you. If you want to look in your phone in the picture, that's okay as well. Makes you look
No,
nice.
I just want to,
Look at the phone,
Look at the phone.
Yeah. That is perfect. 1, 2. I think I'll adjust the exposure a little bit. It's good, but exposure is a little bit too low. That's gonna be a whole lot better. Perfect. Perfect. This is the first one. That's f4, so
Oh, yeah.
that's not
Oh, yeah.
exactly
Okay.
nice. That
Not
one's
bad.
All right, so yeah, here's what we do. I want your head here, okay? Over here, right here. Put your head here. Just stand here, okay? And go a little bit this way. Yep. Now put your head. Actually, come back this way.
Oh, like this.
No, come back with your body. Yep, that looks good. Okay, I'll touch your head, huh? Don't mind.
No, no problem.
All right, that looks really good.
Really good?
Yeah, because over here, I'll try not to bring your feet, okay? Well, bring your head here, but then there's a split of light.
Okay, fine.
You get the point?
Yeah, I got it.
Although I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna edit this, so no guarantees. Might even give it to you raw.
Oh, it's fine, man. Oh, okay.
Still recording it.
So Max is coming? No.
Huh?
Okay, that's fine.
What? All right, yeah, that's perfect. No, put your head down. Put your head down. Okay, now yep, perfect. Just keep it that way, Tell you what, we'll go all in. Nice. It's really good. What else could we do? We've already done this. Okay, just stand like this, something like that, and just look to the street itself, which is this way for you. Okay? Okay, that is way too Oh, a whole lot better. I took you one, but it's really good.
It's really good. It's fine. You can take, you know.
I know, I know, I know.
told you.
I know. Okay, now just look to the street and keep your head up. I keep.
This way?
Well, not. I mean, bring it a little bit. Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. You know, a little bit more like this way.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You get the point?
Okay, that's fine.
No, no, no. Bring your head up a little bit. Nice. That looks really good, man.
Yeah, this one amazing. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, this one amazing.
Okay, then we could do a few more natural. You just do your
natural,
thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'll take a
Yeah.
few pictures for you.
Yeah, natural picture is good. Yeah, man. This one amazing.
Doesn't have to be always planned, though.
Yeah, you know, planning thing is not good all the time. On the back, you know.
You want to try
basically,
something from the back?
See, my left-right profile is good, and the front, back, it's not that good. So, you got my point, right?
So you want to take a picture from the back?
No, I don't want.
From the front you want?
Yeah, front, right, or left. This
Okay,
thing.
we could do that.
Okay.
All right.
This one.
Okay, I'll tell you what. We'll give you a headshot, and we'll use that for a double exposure.
Okay, fine.
You know what a double exposure is, right? The one that I showed you.
Yeah.
Where you have a background, and then you have another picture inside that picture itself.
Okay.
So it's a picture inside a picture. That's why it's called double exposure.
Oh, okay.
All right?
It will look good, right? Double exposure.
I hope so. I'm still trying.
Okay.
Just give me a head look, like a straight headshot. You don't have to look stylish or anything.
Oh, okay.
Just look straight in the camera.
This one, man.
Sure.
Because they are. This hair is. Okay.
Those accident shots, I swear they look much better than the planned ones. And
Yeah,
don't
I
even
know
ask
that,
me why.
One is never work. Okay.
I mean, they work sometimes.
Yeah, works.
But the accident ones wouldn't happen without the planned ones.
Yeah.
All right, ready? Okay, I'll have to come closer because we only want your head here. Looks fucking amazing, man. Okay, so here's what we'll do.
Yeah,
okay?
what we'll do, yeah.
We will eliminate this background.
Okay.
And for this, we will put well, not exactly these pictures, but we could put something like this.
Amazing. You should give it to me.
Yeah, I will. And we will put this inside of this. So basically, this will be the background of the other one.
Wow.
You get the point?
Yeah, it's a good idea. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, man.
So what do we do now? Dude, Malaysia to Dubai is a joke. Okay. Just keep on doing your thing. Keep doing your thing. Amazing. Just give it a little bit of time to process the images. Nice. Just give it some time. Real good. Alright, so we'll stop the vlog here, otherwise this is gonna take very long. So if you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to hit the like and subscribe and comment down below what you want to see me do next. And without further ado, see you guys in the next vlog. Peace out.